How to send money from PayPal to Wise account. So all you have to do is just simply open your PayPal and you just have to look and click this pay and get paid and look for bank and cards. Now let's see if we can send money directly from PayPal to Wise. Then as you can see here, there is no option that says send PayPal to Wise. Or if you explore from any of these options here, you can see PayPal to Wise or send PayPal to Wise. So what are we going to do is just simply link your bank account. You have to link your bank account on your PayPal, or your PayPal should have or should be connected to a bank account. Let's just say if your bank account is US. Okay. So you have to click this link your US bank account instead. And then what you're going to do here is just simply type routing number, the number that is same with your WISE, and also the account number that is same with your WISE. So in that case, you can simply send money to your bank, which is also connected to your WISE. So that means you can send money to this bank, which also you can receive that money using your Wise because the bank that you have connected to your PayPal is same with the bank connected with your Wise. As simple as that. But when you say send PayPal to Wise directly, that is not possible. You can send only through bank or link bank. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.